Well, air conditioners will be running full speed before long, and higher utility bills may not be the only thing homeowners are facing. KCAU-9 News reporter Chase Foy joins me tonight in studio with a look at how HVAC companies are being impacted by new tariffs.
Thanks, Tim. When the weather does begin to get warmer, having your air conditioner inspected and ready to go might not be a bad idea. Today I spoke with local HVAC companies for tips residents should know for maintaining your AC unit and what potential impacts these companies may face when the tariffs are in place.
It is really important to get your air conditioner tuned up and ready for the season, because when they're not tuned up, they're gonna not work on the days we need them the most.
To prevent damage, Kner says that your AC unit needs to be well maintained.
So the first thing, or some of the more simple things, it would be what's the condition the filter's in? Are you changing your filters at the appropriate time frame? And, the next one would be things such as dirt and debris on the equipment, both inside and outside.
Kner expressed that the challenges the tariffs have on imported materials and components will ultimately lead to price increases for HVAC equipment and services.
Our parts are made of steel. They're, like everything that we use in our lives, it's made from all over the world. And so, there are cost increases associated with the tariffs going on.
Kalen's Indoor Comfort gets their supplies from Lennox. Lennox International has been significantly impacted by tariffs, raising the cost of steel and aluminum, which are key components in HVAC equipment, leading to higher production expenses.
We've been a Lennox dealer more than 75 years, and so, Lennox is manufactured in Iowa and in other places in the U.S. as well. And so, generally for us, we're Lennox, and then other distributors that help us with other products. Get them here in Sioux City.
But Kner says that they're not trying to pass too much of that cost onto their customers.
We always are conscious of what our customers want and need, and so and we always provide options for them to choose what works best. That's how we've operated a very long time, so that that part of our history, being in business 104 years, is doing the right thing for our customers.
Kner also wants to encourage folks to get your furnace and air conditioner professionally inspected each year. Live in the studio, Chase Foy, KCAU 9 News.